All right, y'all, here we are. Here's Chuck. Welcome to Gingerman Raceway. It's Saturday, September 10th, and we've put the Sportsman can on. We were out twice for practice. Clutch was slipping too much both times, made adjustments. Still didn't get up and lock up and go. He's calling. Final call. He hasn't made any calls. So we're up right now. We put the Sportsman can on and we adjusted the clutch. We finally got the clutch down. Did clutch tests out here. Got it down to an acceptable number. So we put in all the gas we got. We probably don't have enough gas to go 40 minutes, but that doesn't matter. We're not really here racing anyway. But we're going to go and run around and see if we've figured this out. We think the S4 pipe is just not the right, just not going to work. I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to find out what's what. We think the Sportsman can is a no pipe issue. It takes the pipe issue right out of the question. So we'll bring you a post-race report in a while. And we got Sherry with the other camera, hopefully taking some side of the track videos because they won't let us take helmet cam video here. So that's Little Bray, that's Brooklyn, that's Shay, and they're going to head up front. We got to get going. Talk to y'all later. Godspeed, God bless.